I've got two PS5 Slim from Best Buy. This is Black Friday deal, comes with Fortnite, and it's only $4.25 each. It is $75 off plus Fortnite voucher here. As you can see, these are disc versions. You can also buy for 50 less disc-less version, which is $3.75. And look how Best Buy sent it to me. Taped over, horrible. Broken seal, just taped over like this with a shipping label over there. And both boxes are turned. I hope these are not returns that they resell as new. I'm gonna open and check them out. Here on the side of the box it tells you what it comes with. So it's console, it's disc version, controller, wireless controller, HDMI cable, power cord, USB cable to charge the controller, and like bundle for the games and manual and everything. Good so far. Charging cable, power cord, HDMI cord, wireless controller. I believe it's the same as with a regular PS5 from years ago. Charging here.
And here's the console.
And manual is on the very bottom. Seal over here. That's all we got inside. These two A buttons, two papers, the console, disc version. This is slim, so it doesn't have this thing, it's lighter. Two USB-C, you can connect your controllers with a Y and charge them. Power button over here, this is for disc. Here we get a LAN port, RJ45, HDMI to connect to your TV or monitors, two USB-A's, and power goes here, and that's it. Only comes with one controller. There are bundles with two and some other accessories. Charging cord USB-C, so you'll charge it from here, or you can use a modern Samsung or iPhone power adapter or surge protector with USB-C. I tried to charge it with different power adapters. Everything worked. And you can probably do it from here with some old cable. Now, I want to talk about value. $425. This is amazing. There are no gaming laptops or desktops at this price that can play games as fast as this one. There is nothing for $425 as fast as this thing. Maybe Xbox S, which is $300 and goes even lower on sale. But if you want PS5, there are no desktop PCs that can run games as fast as this. Even if you assemble something with the used parts by yourself, assemble yourself, it's likely still gonna be slower than this thing. And it has a Blu-ray drive, which is amazing. Buy while it's still in stock. $425, amazing price, amazing gift for holidays. Don't be late. Don't wait the last moment till these are out of sale or out of stock.